maintenance? Nope. No, not at all. Whether it's getting your car washed or having it maintenanced. Maintenance? Whether it's having your... I'm a professional. Whether it's having your car washed. I was focused too much on your hand signal. For the Omaha News, I'm Melissa Ring. Why are you moving forward? Where are you going? What's happening? How is it now? Is it a little interferency?
I was recording.
Oh. Whether it's I can't even do this anymore. I'm so done. Waiter! I'm Melissa Ring. Hey baby, you want a ride? I drive real good.